Yes, sir. If you're from out of town, I need you to get in line right now. Let me tell you something. Memphis, Tennessee invented the gangster walk. If you're from out of town and you want to know how to do it, just follow the people from Memphis.
So mind try this, put on over. I'm definitely no, I don't lie. You move among the people, you can't hide.
Here we go. It's called a Trigger Man.
Go this way, I want to back to yesterday.
East Memphis, South Memphis, Wayne Haven. Oh my goodness. Orange Mound, Binghamton, make some noise.
Red money goes straight to you know who. Still get that heartless act and tell him that it's time that he leaves this town. On your way back, bring me his son. Lock him in the trunk, yeah, that should be fun. It's so Buffalo team has to move. Son, fitting for cement shoe. Then drag him from the river, going back on the job with a number around the neck. Trigger man hard.
Tennessee.
All right, boy.
If you're from Memphis, Tennessee, make some noise. Sorry about that, out-of-towners. That's how we do it right here, baby. We ain't playing in Memphis.
No, you
Come on, man.
arrested me. I own the boss to the judges, and they get too rich. I'm the one that rules. I make the match. Somebody tell me who I am. Bucks and Canada. Mr. Nash, you must be new. A black foot for the ass kids from school. Cause the Trigger Man has one thing to say. You better get off that nigga be on your way. So don't waste your time arresting me. Who's on your paycheck inside Trigger Man film. I'm above the law, so don't feel cheated. Mr. Nash, put the egg in your shoe.
Is it?
Be a true stand when you get out, and if anybody comes, you boost out.